This 1988 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat. This thing is good and bad. It was in a fire. The fire happened up here, as you can tell. Yep. Still cleaning that out. But the rest of the truck is, well, besides the engine, we gotta figure out all that. The wiring is shot up there, but the rest of the truck is, it's just crazy. It's perfect. The tailgate, like, that's insane.
Now I have to repaint, restripe it, but no big deal.
That's so nice.
Come on.
Try and hold on to it. Look at the bend. Look at that. You never see that. Look at that. 1988, that is perfect. Let me show you what happened to a 2001 truck. This is my dad's 2001 F-150. There's a lot of junk in the back from our camper, but look at the bed on this. Absolutely destroyed. This whole truck is Swiss cheese. It's ridiculous. I don't know. It needs a lot of work, but once we clean it out, I'll show you a little bit more and see what the progress is. I'm going to take off this cap. See how it looks without it. Show you the progress that we have on this, of how clean it is. It's really not that clean, but it's more clean than how it looked before. You know, this thing is just rough, man. So that's that. Got the toolbox on the back, not that we're really hauling anything yet. Yeah, bed's all clean, spotless, perfect. It's pretty clean. So here's the thing, gotta figure out what to do for up here. Don't know if this truck is worth saving. I'm not sure yet. I need to hear what you guys think. So if you think I should go ahead and just do this whole project and, you know, and fix this truck, leave a comment, because this is what I have to deal with. This thing is destroyed. Not completely destroyed, but almost, you know. So let me know. Leave a comment if you want me to do this project, because this This could be a pretty sweet truck if I do go through and fix everything on it, but I need to hear what you guys think. So definitely leave a comment if you want me to fix it, and we will do a part 2, and we will start doing some motor work on this thing. This has got to go, man. This has just got to go. But anyways, let me show you something in here. What we found out about this motor is that it actually cranks. So we hooked up a socket. We took off this shroud here, but we hooked up a socket down there on the crank, and it's not seized. But you know, that doesn't mean that everything else on this truck is good. I'm sure there's probably, I really don't know the number, but a lot of this shit here is probably not good. So, but if we have enough of you guys commenting and saying that I should do this project, then I will. Then there will be a part 2. So comment below if you want to see this part 2 coming up, and we will do it. So this is the end of part 1. We'll see you guys in the next video.